excited to be convening the conference next year.
It is exciting.
Land, Brisbane.
Yeah, I think it's been a great meeting here in Sydney. It's really exciting to have everyone back together again face to face. But yeah, Brisbane. I think it's going to be a fantastic meeting. Things are coming together pretty well, don't you think?
They are. We've got a great panel. We've got an amazing rock team. Really getting excited for what we're going to do up there. The amazing FANZCA events team supporting us. I think it will be limitless. I think what we can achieve, hopefully, will push the limits.
Yeah, limitless. I think it's a great theme. And people have been really receptive. I think coming through here to the booth in the HCI exhibition hall, we've met so many people who seem to be really excited about coming. We've been giving out these great theatre hats.
Yes, sustainable, reusable, and also advertising.
That's right. Yes. And I think our scientific conveners, Dave Heighton and Vic Ely,
amazing. They've
done a great job of lining up some really exciting international keynote speakers for the meeting already. So that's going to be very exciting. I'm looking forward to hearing those, and also our workshops.
Yes, it'll be tremendous, and a real diversity of interests, and I think it's something for everyone.
It really is, and I'm quite excited about some of the innovations for the Brisbane meeting with our emergency response activities.
Yes, getting all your CPD hopefully signed off in one place. That's a big reason to come.
I think that's really important. I think people who come to these meetings are going to really appreciate the fact that when they register, and registrations I think will open around November, then they'll be able to, if they want to, sign up for one of those emergency response activities, and there should be the capacity for everyone. If they want to get it ticked off, then they can.
Yes. Wonderful.
Yeah, that's very exciting. Looking forward to it.